So hello YouTube, as you know, few days back I recently uploaded one video where my battery went kaput, and so I always had bad experience with these Exide batteries. This is my fifth car, and so far I always upgraded to Amron battery. The stock battery, I don't know why dealers give Exide batteries, but I always had bad luck with Exide batteries. So now I am changing my Exide battery to brand new Amron battery. This is DIN 50 model. I don't know why Swift Maruti Suzuki has reduced the size of battery from 65 ampere to 50 ampere, and that is why these batteries are dying very soon because they are underpowered for car of this size. And as you know, my car is AMT, so I can't even push start it. So I had no option rather than replacing this battery. I thought this battery would go for at least 5 years because generally batteries last for 5 years at least. They advertise it as maintenance free battery, but in this case I am really disappointed. So now let's remove the original battery. This is, you can see, Exide battery. There is no slot for indication of battery. See, the size of battery slot is reduced, so I can't even install 65 ampere battery over here. Now this is brand new Amron battery pack piece. Even aesthetically Amron looks better than Exide. I know aesthetics don't matter. So now let's install this brand new piece. As you know, I have installed zero gauge wiring for my amplifier. This is Polycap 55 square mm wiring, so it's little difficult to push the battery inside with these thick cables. I had doubt that the terminals will be and the slots will be of same time or same type or not, but they are perfectly same as Exide, and you can see the battery is snug fit, perfectly fitted. Now let's install this clip. This clip is very important because it holds the battery on its place even though you have any big undulations or big shocks in the pat holes.
ये गाड़ी का बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है। अभी नए नए गाड़ी जो निकल रहा है ना,
टेक्नोलॉजी एडवांस कर रहे हैं लेकिन
On this battery you will get the indication of the health of battery. You can see that round
गाड़ी था
glass
तो हमने
on the top
बैटरी अगर अंदर
of the battery. There you can see the health of battery. Now it's green, that means the battery is in fully charged and in healthy condition.
अनलॉक नहीं हो रही थी। हाँ
ना दरवाजा उसको खुलेगा ना और कुछ होगा।
They have provided caps on this battery, so I think we can add acid in future if needed. So there is only this one clip which you are supposed to tight. Now let's install the terminals. This is the positive terminal. For petrol Swift they are providing same 35 amperes battery, but for the diesel one they have downgraded it. I don't know why, to 50 amperes. The previous old model Swift had 65 ampere battery. Now let's install the negative terminal, that is ground.
एमरॉन अच्छा है या एक्साइड अच्छा है?
नहीं अच्छे से अभी स्टार्टर मार।
This battery I purchased under exchange of my old Exide battery for 5,000 rupees, and this is the best value for money. You will get Exide also in similar price, but I lost the faith from Exide brand, so I believe Amron will last longer.
फास्ट स्टार्ट
See, I got quick start. The starter ran very well, and the car is on in couple of seconds only. Let's try it one more time.
ओके करू बन
Amazing. The capacity or surge current of this Amron battery is better than Exide. On Exide, you will feel
वारंटी
the
इसको
delay while starting the car
डीजल
because starter motor sucks lot of current from your battery, and your battery should be capable of throwing the high capacity current when needed.
सबका अलग अलग बैटरी देते हैं ना
ये क्या है स्टैम्प
ये स्टैम्प है। तो ये क्या आप यूट्यूब में
This
डालेंगे
is
कि पहले
authorized installer from the company itself, so you will get seal and
आपका भी प्रमोशन हो जाएगा
invoice also.
आपका भी प्रमोशन हो जाएगा
So this battery comes with 55 months of warranty. Same is the case with Exide also. If you go for Exide, you will get the same warranty. Now he is writing the car registration number, date, customer name, and all the details on warranty card.
एड्रेस और मोबाइल नंबर
ओके
ये आपका
So this copy will be with them, and this is mine. We are supposed to